The fourth positions, object is placed between center of curvature and focus. Rule 1, incident ray is parallel from A. We want an image of A, so automatically you will get an image of entire AB. So incident is parallel. You can use pencil. For your understanding, I am drawing with the help of sketch pen. So reflected ray must pass through focus. So secondly, you can take second incident ray. Still we have not used that center of curvature. So second ray we are passing through focus for our convenience. So here second ray, but still this is a short. You can imagine the mirror is still here. So second ray falls here, incident. So reflected ray will be parallel. So this is a point of intersection. So image is formed here. So this is just behind the center of curvature. The image is formed behind the center of curvature and inverted. So here is 2f. So what happens if image object is placed between center of curvature and focus? Image is behind. So size, nature. Second, size and position. So what is the nature? Real and inverted. Second, size, it is behind, larger than that, so magnified. And third, position is behind the center of curvature. That is 2f. Now this is the positions where object is placed at focus. So we'll place our object here. At focus. It should be more and more accurate. So what happened? Incident ray is parallel. So this is first. This is AB first of all. So this is the incident ray which is a parallel to principal axis. Rule says after reflection this will move in this direction of focus. This is a reflected ray. Okay, so second is, now second ray, normally we have taken the second ray passing through focus, but now it is quite difficult to pass the ray from A to focus. It will move like this. So what options left with us? So we can make that ray pass through center of curvature. I will extend this curve here. So second option, this ray, incident ray, should pass through focus, but actually we want to make it fall on the mirror. So what we will do, we will take the direction along center of curvature, place the scale along center of curvature and at A. Now the ray will fall like this, but the direction is along the center of curvature. Don't get confused. It is passing in this direction, but if you extend it, it is going through C. So this is by dotted line. It is actually not passing through center of curvature. It appears to pass through the center of curvature. So this is the incident. But what is the rule? When ray is in the direction of center of curvature, from this point it will reflect back in the same direction. So the reflected ray from this point, it will get reflected along the same direction of center of curvature. And these two rays are parallel to each other. See, if small error is there, still it does not look like a parallel. But they get reflected and they never intersect. These two rays are not going to be intersected. So that's why the image is formed at infinity. Two parallel lines we supposed to meet at infinity, never intersect. So at infinity, so what is the nature, size and position? Nature, size and position. So many multiple multiple choice questions may be asked on the same thing. It is what is a image? It is a downside. So real, inverted, below the axis means inverted. Size is, it is going at infinity, so size goes on increasing, highly magnified, and where the image is formed? At infinity. Now this is the last positions. Now our object AB is between focus and pole. So we'll follow the two rules. Let us have a incident ray parallel to the principal axis. Rule says it should pass through focus. So from this point it is passing through, from this point it will pass in this direction. Okay. Secondly, I can take through focus or through center of curvature. I will choose through center of curvature. So this along the direction of center of curvature. So incident like this and reflect in the same direction, bouncing back along the same. So incident and reflected in the same direction because it is through center of curvature. Now you can see these are not parallel and so they do not intersect this side. So intersection is the image position. So I need to extend them behind the mirror because in front side they are not going to meet each other. So if I extend them, they appears to move like this, dotted line. So here I got one virtual point behind the mirror. So image A is object AB whose A point is here, whose image is behind the concave mirror. So at A dash. So if I draw perpendicular from A dash to the principal axis, draw perpendicular to get entire image. So here would be the B dash. So where is the image formed? It is behind the mirror. This is the only case where we got the image behind the mirror. Otherwise normally in all cases we got image in front of the mirror. So what is the nature, size and position? So you can tell the nature is this is the case only where the image is not real, so it is virtual. Even it is not inverted, it is not downside the axis, it is above the axis, so it is erect. So this is the only case which is different than all other. What is the size? This is bigger than that, so magnified. And position, it is behind the mirror. So this is all about the image formation at different position, isn't it? So we will stop our discussion here, and in the next lecture, next video, we will discuss how the image is formed by convex mirror.